And namaste, I'm Zay with Xude Yoga, and this week we're going to be focusing on an energizing morning flow for the body, the mind, and the spirit. You can indulge in this flow every single day to help awaken and recharge and to just get the energy that you need to get you through the day. So let's begin. We're going to start off in an easy seat. I like to ground myself into the earth. Taking a few deep breaths, inhaling in the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. Inhale, extend upward. Exhale, let go of all that's not needed in the bodies. Couple more. Deep inhale. Exhale, clean house. From here, let's keep the eyes closed and just move the hips, move the shoulders, move the arms and the neck as if you're dancing, just moving, letting spirit guide you, letting spirit guide the breath. Opening up all channels, allowing the energy to freely move from the root all the way up to the crown. From here, let's fold, bringing the hands out in front of you, moving the hips and the shoulders back and forth from left to right, dropping the crown, letting it hang heavy, swaying the crown with the shoulders. Allowing the body to naturally move, not forcing the body to move. Movement is not perfect. Healing is not perfect. Allow yourself to feel whatever you need to feel. Whatever comes up for you, acknowledge it. Knowing it's not a part of you. From here, rolling the body back up. Let's bring the arms above the shoulders. Interlacing the fingers, keeping the pointer fingers pointed. Drawing the shoulders down and back, squeezing the elbows into the side of the head. Exhale as gently lean to the left. And then stretch on the right side of the body. Breathing through the stomach. As you inhale, the stomach extends outward. As you exhale, the stomach deflates. Falling to the left even more. One last inhale, expanding through the rib cage. Exhale, fold. Inhale, coming back into a neutral spine. Moving the elbows in circles, moving the shoulders, the hips. Feeling the energy free up in the shoulders and the heart chakra. Let's do the same on the other side. Squeezing the elbows into the side of the head. Reaching up with an inhale. Exhale, fold to the right. Really expanding the lungs as you inhale, taking a new life. As you exhale, let go. Couple more breaths here. Coming back into a neutral spine with an inhale. From here, lowering the arms to the knees. I actually like to grip in between the knee and the ankle. From here, as you inhale, the crown draws back, the chest comes forward. As you exhale, bringing the chin to the chest, curling the hips forward. Inhale, drawing the crown back. Exhale, chin to chest, moving at your own pace, moving with your own breath, doing this a few times. As you exhale, really opening up the mouth, opening up the back of the throat and letting go. A couple more times here. One last deep inhale. Draw the chin and the crown back as far as it can go. Exhale, let it all go. Coming back into a neutral spine, moving the shoulders in circles, keeping the hips still this time. And then rotating the movement of the shoulders. From here, let's bring the knees out as far as it can go, keeping the toes together. So you're going to feel an opening in the hips. If you feel any type of tension or pressure in the knees, you can bring the knees in, sitting in between the feet. From here, rotating the hips in circles. Allowing that Kundalini energy to move freely, to make its way up the spine as you build a consistent practice. Moving the chest in circles. Then rotating, moving the chest and the hips in the other direction. Allowing yourself to feel the stretch in the hip flexors, letting go of any traumas that you may be holding on to. Couple more rotations. From here, bringing the knees back together, folding over the knees, and as if you're skiing, rocking back and forth, moving the shoulders as well, stretching out the top of the thighs. And let's let the crown hang heavy, swaying as if you are wind, as if you are water, being guided by the breath. Allowing spirit to guide the breath. Doing this for about 10 more seconds. Moving at your own pace. Your practice is your practice. I'm just your guide. Now whenever you're ready, tucking the chin into the chest, slowly beginning to rise, coming into a neutral spine, bringing the hands to heart center, allowing the thumbs to touch the center of the heart, taking deep inhales through the nose, Exhale, let it all go. Inhale through the nose, letting the ribs expand. Exhale, let it all go. Allowing yourself to breathe evenly, deeply. A few more breaths here. Your next exhale, slowly begin to open the eyes. I like to blink my eyes quickly. This really helps me wake up. Looks very weird, feels very weird. Trust me, this is beautiful for an early rise. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for allowing me to share my light. We will be posting videos every single Friday, so make sure you click down below, subscribe, press the notification bell so you can get a notification every time a new video is released. You can also comment below what are some videos that you're wanting to see on Fridays, and we will take your opinion into consideration. Also, let us know how you're feeling. That's most important for us, and I'm so thankful that y'all are showing up and being kind to yourselves, being gentle. So until next week, namaste.